All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. It's only one problem. It's the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. But I believe in myself. I'm tracking my trades. I'm journaling. I'm making steady progress. It's getting really exciting. Best part is I'm doing it all live right here on YouTube, and we're building an awesome community in the process. Love to have you be a part of it. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything's free for the community. Let's get to it, y'all. What's up, man? It's Monday, first day of the trading month. I love new beginnings, man. And I got so much from January. I feel like January should have been a profitable month, but I didn't have my act together. I think I got my act together now. And I'm ready to lock in, man. I'm ready to lock in. I'm committed to the process. I just have to keep it in the forefront. And that's the hard part, but it can be done. It shall be done. And let me see what's up with this camera, man. What up, Santa? Figure. What you got on watch, Santa? It's looking pretty bloody this morning, man. Like, the gap down list was huge. Like, really big. So the game plan for February. Pre-market, I gotta pick one thing. Whatever I pick, I can pick whatever thing I want, but whatever that thing is the thing I'm going to trade for the day. Today, that thing is KC. It's got an ATH gap on the daily. It's got a range, average trading range of like $1.72. And the only thing it doesn't have is a lot of volume. It has elevated volume, like it has more volume than it normally has, but it's still not a lot of volume, you know. It almost has 1 million shares traded pre-market, like close. So I'm gonna watch it, you know, but I'm $1 risk on my hotkey the whole month, and $5 max loss. $5 max loss. So ideally, as long as my ads are like reasonable, that should give me, you know, at least 4 or 5 trades. You know, that's plenty. On one stock, that's a lot. So if I can't make money after that, then we're gonna call it a day, you know. And 1 ticker per day, man. I think if I can do that, we'll be sitting pretty. That ain't good. That hourly be letting you know. I don't like that. But this is nice. I almost want to just take this over 15 on GP. Wow. Range of that candle is super wide, though. I'm not trying to take a trade off of that. No FOMO. I realized that the FOMO is like the only FOMO should be the fear of your criteria being present and you not being there to make the trade. Like you should, the only thing you should fear is missing your setup. But like missing the price going up, like that ain't got nothing to do with you. You know, what's up, Wave Rider? That ain't got nothing to do with you. Now I really want to take the move above this range. After that, what is this? 30 cent up, still made another low. Yeah, this thing might be donezo. 5 is looking tragic. The cool thing is, man, if you just wait for a higher low, it saves you out. It saves so many like messy trades. Oh, look at the SPY making a strong move out the open. Okay, might have some hope on the day. Ooh, here's the turnaround. I want to take that trade, but I don't have the I can't. Yeah, I'm just not. That's not my type of trade. Plus, it's super wide range, and you know, I'm just gonna be disappointed if it squeezes without me. I feel like the level two's talking to me. Chilling though. I'm chilling. I'd rather it go without me than to feel like I took a stupid trade. And I would, if I took that trade right here and it stopped me out, I would feel like that was stupid. So I'm not gonna do it. That being said, this 5 is setting up really nicely to the point where if we break over this opening range on the 5, like pretty much take any long I want. I'm gonna be patient for that though. It's looking pretty decent right now. Man. Uh see, I want to take that trade, but I might have to figure out a play for that because it felt obvious, but there's no confirmation. I don't know, man. I feel like with an all time high gap like that, and then like when I'm risking $1 on my hotkey, I feel like I should be able to be a little aggressive and take that trade. That's okay though. That's okay. Maybe I'll add it to the playbook in the future. It's not in it right now, so I'm just gonna chill. What up, Joe Dub? Kizzy Bop? I just sat here and was acting scary about getting in right there. Could have got in under 15, and it wasn't really that big of a stop, like 40 cent maybe. Damn, man. Yeah, it's definitely got to pull back. Dag nabbit, bro. I gotta take that next time, bro. Nice volume that came in. Yeah, I appreciate that, Joe. I really needed somebody to tell me that. Because I wanted to take it and then did what I would have wanted to do, what I would have wanted it to do had I taken it. And now I'm just sitting here like, now I'm like, dang, man, you could have at least taken the 5 minute ORB. That mug is just gone. But, even if I don't get a trade, which I mean, if it trends for a long time, I should be able to find a trade. But golly, this thing is really moving. It's gonna do its whole ATR in the first 5 minutes, and then I'm not gonna want it anymore. I mean, I'm not that mad at the chart. It basically kind of tested the pre-market lows, and I mean, it got bought up every time, especially with this narrow range candle here. Man, I should have jumped on that one. Just put my stop right underneath it. Whoo, that would have been crazy trade. Look, it don't even look that bad when you stretch it out. I should have took it. Yeah. That's one thing too that I like about just trading one thing. Like it's not the end of the world if I take a trade like that. If I'm aggressive, my bias is really strong to the upside, and I see something like that. Mm 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 mm. Oh, now it says daily ATR is 106. Yeah, it's done that. Golly. I should have bought this on my dang swing app. On Webull, my swing account. Hey, what's up, Paul? Yeah, man, that's definitely the plan. That's definitely the plan. Yeah, I sure did see it. I sure did. Man, I should have took that 5 minute ORB, yo, at the least. Like, it went about how I thought it was gonna go. I don't know how Benavidez will hold up against better Biev or Bivol though. Maybe Bivol. I don't know. I gotta kind of gotta put respect on Bivol's name though for holding up against Canelo and better Biev. Candles getting narrow and then stretching out again. This thing is crazy to miss this on my first. uh mm. Well, it was a good pick though. It was a good find and a good pick. So that's nice. Yeah, he did. I was surprised he survived too. I was surprised he survived. Yeah, I don't know, man. I was impressed with Benavidez's defense, though, man. I was really impressed. Yo, this thing is strong. Super strong. Yeah. See, I don't think the pre-market volume isn't as much of an issue with these larger caps as it is with the small caps if the setup is there, man. Bought Tesla at 385. Hey, I noticed Tesla respected my little trend line I drew last week. That was cool. When I saw that this morning, like a thing just bounced right off of that thing. Look like it's about to break to the bottom side though. But maybe not. Might be a false breakdown. Oh man. Heartbreaker, bro. Damn, bro. Could have got in sub 15. Yeah. No, I don't know. Like Joe said, man, I did the right thing. Just waiting for confirmation. Sometimes they don't wait for you. All right, finally the pullback. See if we can get up. Maybe. Okay, Santa, already with the heat this morning. It's so easy to get $2 in the money on Tesla, man. It's like one candle. That's what I like about it. Yeah, bro. Benavidez is vicious. Yeah, I gotta see two red candles on the 5 at this point. Probably back to pre-market high. Like it's just too extended at this point. It looks so strong though, which is the scary part because like you try to go long up there because it looks so strong, and then of course it's already extended, so it gets slapped. So man, look at those first three 5 minute candles on the volume though. Like, jeez. 1633. Oh, is there more daily? Is there more history? I thought this was an ATH gap. Oh wow. I didn't even see all of that. uh, that's funny. Okay, yeah, I see this over here. It's the high volume day. 1542. Hmm. Man, getting narrow already. You you in at 1596? Bad man. Good luck, bro. About to flag on the two. I feel you. Well, trigger that fire. That sounds like a good move. I'm just that's kind of what I'm expecting, Joe, but I ain't want to speak it into existence against you. But yeah, I'm definitely expecting this to come down to pre-market high 1550 area. But I mean, it looks super strong though. So I really wouldn't be surprised if it went back up to higher day and even broke through. Yeah, the volume on the retracement up was higher than the volume on the on the pullback. So, and the 5 minute looks really good. 15 starting to look good. We'll see. Okay. Then you got to take it, Joe. You got to take it when all the boxes get checked. That's your job. Okay, this might be the higher low you need. Brum, 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 brum. Now, if we get a nice little narrow range double bottom candle or something.
Order filled.
Whoa. The hell was that?
Bill. Bill.
Maybe a little too aggressive with that ad. What up, Trey? That joint should have went though. Yeah. What you been on? What you been on? Man, it made a higher high.
Bill.
Yeah, this should have been my this should have been my ad. Like I'm gonna still get stopped again though. But yeah, I gotta stop jumping the gun with this kind of ad and wait for actual a red pullback to add on. But I mean, it still look like I'm probably gonna get stopped, but I'll be okay with that. Yeah, I gotta remember that. I actually wrote that down in my notes. Uh, yeah, I sure did. Ads and buys only after pullbacks. So I should not have added up here on this green candle. I should have waited. This was the ad spot right here. And look how well it would have done for me, right? So just little, little things, but to be at the stage of working on that part of my trading is awesome because I can only work on that part of my trading when I get a good entry that goes up above my entry to get an opportunity to add into, right? So it's a nice place to be. Yeah, it's definitely struggling right there. Let's try this again. The problem is it's already made a huge move today. Well, I guess it's not that huge, but and now it's definitely inside of this range. Who knows where it's gonna squeeze out from.
Order filled.
I know, bro. I just didn't have like in my mind, Trey, I wanted to take it so bad, bro, but I just was like, just wait for a higher low after, man. And I was just trying to be patient, man. Dang, bro, this thing does not want to go.
Order filled.
Golly. Yeah, like if I had in my head though, Trey, like if I had in my head, like, okay, that's a triple hammer play. Like I don't have that. But to me, when I saw it, I was like, dang, three hammer candles in a row, and the last one broke the low and got bought back up, like and closed green. Like it does, just the idea of it looks really strong. So I'm gonna log that in my head next time I see that. Like, oh man, it's the triple hammers. All right, so let's reevaluate this situation here after being stopped out twice. Um, Clearly we're stuck in this range right here. So, uh, but like all this red sell volume did not push the price down very much. So like it still feels bullish, but yeah, I feel that. And that's kind of one thing that I want with this dollar hotkey right now is that to feel more free to act on my intuition, within reason. But like I really wanted to take this trade. Maybe I'll say I'll only buy after a red hammer or add. got like, I'm gonna take one more swing on this thing. Hmm. I hear you, Trey. It's the one for all the Balzinis right here.
Order filled.
All the Balzinis. If he dies, he dies. Got 1609 right here. 1608. Uh-oh. Well, that was quick.
Order filled.
All right. Couldn't handle it. Couldn't handle it. I wish I would have waited for this to pull back just a little more. But that was just a super narrow range op right there. And I saw this 5 minute candle getting ready to close up green. So thought she was a good op. And this nice big volume candle here. Yeah, I don't know, man. I should have just left this range alone. I should have left the whole trade alone. Once, I mean, it already went way past this ATR, and just missed the move. Like, just didn't get to catch that one. But can't blame a guy for trying some higher low setups. This was, I don't have a problem with this ad. I mean, with this buy, I don't like this ad. Um, I mean, yeah, here it is right here. This is it right there. Damn it. Low 1572. Low 1572. There's your double bottom right there. Same on the 5 too. And got a nice volume spike in at that level. We still got 4 cents left.
Order filled.
What up, Jack? Either stop or go. Oh yeah. Oh boy. What is happening here? Yeah, that's a wrap, boys. Maybe.
Order filled.
Dang. All right, fine. Fine, I give up. All right. Yeah, it just wasn't meant. It wasn't meant. Hella backside, bro. I got caught all up in the backside. I remember this feeling though. I remember trading something before that went like straight up without me, and then the mindset that it left me in trying to trade it is like it's almost like you're hoping it's gonna do the same thing again. Like, oh man, it made a $2 move right off the open. Man, it's gonna pull back and make another $2 move, and I'm gonna catch that one. When in reality, that Joker's done, man. Come back tomorrow. What's up, Noor? You see what you got going on, Jack? Sec. Yo, you shorted this at 114, bro. Yo. That's crazy, man. Congratulations, Jack. You've done it again, my friend. Beautiful. Yeah, I couldn't get a hold of her today, man. I needed to be way more patient. I said that I wanted it back to pre-market highs, and I just couldn't wait. I couldn't wait for it to do that. And now it's finally made it to the area I initially said, and now it's kicking big volume. I needed to be patient. I exhausted all my patience on this run up right here. uh, 1 out of 100 has to work, man. All right, but kept my losses at $5, almost six, 5.96. We'll call it five. I'll be all right with that. Um, yeah. So just one of them days. Couldn't get it like I wanted to, but it's cool. It's cool. My goal for this month was to keep my red days no bigger than $5, and to only trade one ticker per day. So I can walk away today with this L and still feel good about my day. And this is just one of those days where I couldn't get it. It's just, I mean, the right thing to do, honestly, is to just call it at this point. But I'm not talking about. I'm talking about after this first move. I'm definitely calling it now. But yeah, yeah, I knew Tesla was QTSLQ. No, I didn't even think about doing any of those. Wow, that was clean. That was pretty clean. Wide range, but wow, what a nice daily too. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Might have to add that to the watch. uh, hmm. Well, I got it in my watch basket now, so that's cool. Yeah, that would have been sweet. Yeah, I think in the future when I see this, oh man, if I could have just waited for my price area that I wanted, man. I just couldn't wait, bro. I couldn't wait. I knew that's where it needed to pull back to, but the FOMO, man. The FOMO. Dang, I got caught up today. This was a really good lesson. This is a great lesson. Let me snapshot this, man. I mean, FOMO. I thought I had a hold of it because I didn't jump in on the way up, but it's like levels to FOMO, man. It's levels. And it's so frustrating when I have a plan and I do this all the time. I'll look at something, I'll look at a daily setup and be like, that's trash, and then I'll trade it. Or like this, I looked at it and said it needs to pull back to pre-market high, probably 1550, and I couldn't wait. And here it is, and there it goes. Looks good on the 5. Look at the 15 looking saucy. Like this mug is looking ready. It's looking ready for the bounce. Probably gonna make a higher low here and then blast through 16. But that's cool. I'll be better equipped hopefully next time I see something like this to let that thing cool all the way off. Yeah, cause that was wild. Yeah, KC looking ready, man. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, bro. I done already used my 84% rule, Joe. I didn't use mine a whole bunch of times. But yeah, man. I mean, it looks ready now to me. Like the 15 and the 5 look good. Pulled back far enough, I think. I mean, the with the retracement depth and the length of time, it's pretty valid at this point. But that's a wrap for me, man. Look at the spy. What a candle. Dang, that's pretty amazing. Markets just be wilding. Hmm. Dang, man. Yeah, it looks ready, bro. I don't want to sit here and watch this thing go. uh, I don't know, man. You talking about with the spy? Any news come out recently? Well, yeah, that's why it went down, right? But $5 in the money on Tesla. That's what's up, bro. hmm Yeah, I mean, in reality, Casey's done its ATR, and it would be absurd to expect more from it. That 15 looking good though. 3 minutes, that mug might be 50 cent stop. Not bad. Yeah, I felt like it needed to break down out of that range too, man. It sucks when you go to max loss, man, because you can't fix it until the next day. Like you can't get another chance to have the trading performance that you really wanted to have. Yeah, this thing looking good, Joe. Mm-mm-mm. All right, I'm not gonna do this to myself. I'm getting out of here, y'all. uh, mm-mm-mm. Man, the spy looks amazing. All right, but this is the plan for the month. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay away from this guy next time. Next time it just goes parabolic and does the ATR without me. I'm gonna just call it, bro. Cause at that point, what you get beyond the ATR is cool if you got in low and you're holding, but to enter and expect it to do like double this ATR, it's kind of wild. And now we got all this trading action up here at the top, which is great if we get above it, but to buy it beneath and hope to break through, you're doing a lot. Yeah, it is high. That's what I'm saying, bro. Yeah, it was just it just needed to be left alone, and I'm still working on the idea of only trading one stock and the limitations and opportunity that comes with, because the stock you watch may go out of play right off the open, and then it's just like, damn, it's over. And I got to be ready for that, and I wasn't ready today. So good learning experience. um um yeah, good learning experience. I do think it's set up now though, but it's still like the risk on the trade. I guess the way I'm trading now, which is tight entries and stops and taking profit. Like if I would have gotten in here, I would have taken out a good amount of shares up here and possibly added here and moved my stop up. And yeah. But yeah, honestly, I think trading this part of it is like the RR is way lower than taking entries, when it was down here. Ooh, it's kind of violent. But yeah. Dang, was you trying to save me, Alex? Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, man, good experience. Took a screenshot. Gonna take some notes on this setup and just uh kind of drill in the idea of being ready to let something go if it makes the entire move. Like this move right here to 1625, like that's a freaking home run move if you caught it down here, right? Like it's over. So yeah. But anyway, for me who's trying to trade the morning session, the first 30 minutes to an hour, um now this is like all this water is muddy. I don't want to be trading inside of that. So, but all in all, not a terrible day. I do kind of feel bad about the last trade to take it from 496 to 596, but I just felt like I had to give it that one more. And I wish I would have saved that one more for a break out of the range that I had gotten stopped out in twice. Let it actually break the range, which would have been this. But even still, it wouldn't have been a higher low. And if I would have waited for the higher low, that would have been this, and I would have gotten stopped out. So yeah, it was just dead. It was just dead. Yeah. Anyway, man, if y'all can hit that like button for me, show some support for the channel, I'd appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't. I will do a review video today, God willing. And other than that, I'll be back tomorrow to do it again, man. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. Y'all be safe out here in the markets. Have a great day. Peace.